Did you hear that? That was loud. Let me give you some clues. This animal has orange fur with black stripes. It roars to show how strong it is. It lives deep in the jungle. Who do you think it is? It's a tiger. Roar!